Well, unless you want to get beat, you got to do it every now and then.
If we gonna do it then, we do it big. Let's go, baby. Let's fight, man. My brother.
It's wide left. It's wide left. No good. It's up. Messed up to the right.
Now remember, number 20, LaMarcus Joyner, has forced both turnovers in this game.
Forward is Benjamin, touchdown Knowles. What a grab by Kelvin Benjamin.
Score by prime time.
Dalvin Cook is now the garnet and gold standard. A night of nights for Jameis Winston, throwing for 339. 3 touchdown passes and 1 rushing touchdown. And Pops loves every second.
Play action by Charlie. Walks to his right, eludes the sack rush. Still running, throws the pass. It's caught. Touchdown, Lonnie Johnson.
Dunn on the little quick hitter again. Spins off the tackle. Into open field. Warwick Dunn is gone.
Marvin Jones about decapitated him at the 17-yard line.
He had success. Got a lot of success.
Florida State, and they roll. Florida State wins.
We do wrap up and fudge it.
1,500 red-blooded Americans just decided to apply to Florida State.
Hand off to pass it, picture one. Touchdown, 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 touchdown. Can you believe it?
And now, phase 3, to enroll at Florida State University.
Go Seminoles! Cover the point, Brett. Cover the